Hello everyone, and welcome back to another that turns imagination into reality. With the Dremel DG Lab 3D45-01 3D printer, students can unleash their creativity and bring their wildest ideas to life. Imagine a printer that can handle all your printing needs effortlessly. Whether you want to craft mind-blowing architectural models or futuristic engineering prototypes or let your artistic flair soar, this printer has your back. It's like having a personal genius at your fingertips. Setting up the Dremel DG Lab 3D printer is as easy as a piece of cake. You'll be amazed how quickly you can go from unboxing to creating wonders. The vibrant 4.5-inch touchscreen interface feels like a futuristic control panel, guiding you with its user-friendly design. Don't worry about choosing the correct settings or struggling with complicated configurations. This printer is so intelligent, it practically reads your mind. Thanks to its built-in RFID reader, it detects the Dremel filament you use and automatically selects the optimal print settings. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer. Regarding the best 3D printer for students, the MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer takes the spotlight with its accessible, fast, and reliable features. Imagine a printer that brings your creative ideas to life with a touch of magic. Picture your designs materializing before your eyes in record time. Plus, with a 25% larger build volume, you can dream big and create more significant projects. But that's not all. The MakerBot Replicator Plus comes with the fantastic Smart Extruder Plus. This extruder is a true superhero, delivering superior results with MakerBot PLA material. It's been meticulously tested for over 160,000 hours to ensure its performance is as reliable as a trusty sidekick. With its standardized features, this 3D printer is a breeze to use. It's cloud-enabled, sporting an LCD, an onboard camera, and multiple connectivity options like USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi. You can easily monitor your prints and stay connected to your creative process. In the box, you'll find everything you need to get started, from the MakerBot Replicator Plus to the Smart Extruder Plus, a spool of PLA, and even a flexible build plate. It's a complete package that sparks the imagination and fuels endless possibilities. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 3 is the original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D printer. Introducing the ultimate companion for creative minds, the original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D printer, the perfect choice for students who want to unlock their imagination and bring their ideas to life. This extraordinary machine is an assembled marvel, making it easy for students to dive into 3D printing. With its fully automatic mesh bed leveling process, the MK3S Plus ensures impeccable prints every time, eliminating the hassle of manual adjustments. Plus, it boasts an incredible IR filament sensor that detects when your filament is running low, allowing you to pause and reload without interruptions. Imagine the possibilities with this cutting-edge printer equipped with genuine Gates belts, Bondtech drive gears, and the innovative EINSY Rambo motherboard. It's a true workhorse that guarantees top-notch performance for all your projects, big or small. As if that wasn't enough, the MK3S Plus even includes a free sample of Prusament PLA, so you can start printing immediately. And don't worry about getting stuck along the way. Prusa Research offers lifetime technical assistance and 24/7 professional customer service, ensuring you're never alone on your 3D printing journey. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is the Archidi Technology 3D printer. The Archidi Technology X Plus 3D printer is an optimistic adventurer in the world of 3D printing, perfect for students who crave endless possibilities and creative freedom. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, this printer takes your imagination to new heights. Let's start with the extruder assembly, the heart of this remarkable machine. The upgraded dual-gear extruders are like tireless superheroes, always ensuring precise prints. Say goodbye to frustrating clogs and hello to smooth, flawless creations. Plus, the high-temperature extruder lets you explore a broader range of materials, pushing the boundaries of your artistic endeavors. Printing larger models becomes a breeze with the double Z-axis driver. This ensures stability and accuracy, like having a trusty companion by your side throughout the printing journey. Imagine bringing your grandest ideas to life quickly, making jaws drop, and sparking inspiration among your peers. The Slicer software version 6.5.3 is a true game-changer, making slicing and dicing your designs a breeze. Its revamped UI is like a friendly guide, making the process more intelligent and intuitive. Enjoy a 30% improvement in print quality and a 20% boost in speed, propelling your creations to new heights. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 5 is Elegoo Saturn 8K MSLA 3D printer. If you're looking for the ultimate 3D printer to ignite your creativity, the Elegoo Saturn 8K MSLA 3D printer is an absolute game changer. This magnificent machine is a dream for students who want to bring their wildest ideas to life. Imagine printing models with jaw-dropping precision and mind-blowing detail. With its mind-boggling 10-inch 8K mono LCD screen, you can craft masterpieces that will make your classmates' jaws drop. And let's talk about the build volume. With the Saturn 8K, you'll have more space to bring your visions to life. Whether you're working on a large-scale project or creating multiple parts in one go, this printer's got your back. Efficiency? Check! But it doesn't stop there. The Matrix UV light source is a true marvel. Its ingenious design ensures that the light is projected onto the screen with laser-like precision, guaranteeing unparalleled accuracy and reducing those pesky printing errors. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for students. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.